Hello YouTube and welcome back. In this video we're going to be getting Smokey Yunick's hot vapor engine ready to go back in the car.
Ooh, can I help?
Oh, you please do. Look.
Almost nothing can take me away from my beloved 7M, but maybe this can.
Yes, there we go. So have help from my friends. We're going to get this engine running. We're going to get it freshened up before we put it back in the car. So that's what today's goal is. I have help. So Faye's going to help me. We're going to go ahead and basically we're not restoring the engine. The engine does run, but it's been sitting for a long time. So Faye's going to tackle the timing belt. It's like a Volkswagen Rabbit. And
it really is.
And she loves her Rabbit. So she's comfortable with the front. We'll let her take care of all the timing in the front. Put a fresh belt on it. I'm going to pull the valve cover. I'm going to work on the cam and the lifters because I've had the cam out. You know why. And then we're going to just pull the stuff apart and get it freshened up so we can get this back to the home shop and get it back in the car.
Yep.
And yes, and the other engine that we actually got running and fired up and got the car running is just the original stock engine.
Yep, that's true. So just had to get the car running, going to the auto show. And also just kind of nice to get the brakes going, like make sure that the car was mechanically solid before swapping in this engine and then hoping to actually like take it for a drive.
Yes,
so
that was our
nice
first, it was a cosmetic restoration.
Yeah.
That was our trifecta. Rick came over, we got the paint beautiful. It's a factory paint. So you all have to go back in the videos, Faye's video, my video, Rick's video, and just
linked
see
up above here right now, hopefully.
There you go. And so we got the car ready. The car is now ready, the brakes are done, the car's ready. It's ready, it just needs the engine back. It needs to get his engine back in the car.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, hang with us, and we'll be doing some live streams, but it'll be too late because, like, once again, you're looking in the future, the past, or somewhere.
Yeah.
But you're
so
the right place.
After you get this one ready, then are you going to drive the Horizon home today?
Yes.
Ah!
Yes, I'm thinking that we'll drive it home today.
Yeah.
So that way tomorrow it's overnight cooled. After all this is done, the day's all over, I get to end the day by driving the car home. So
that does not suck.
No.
Oh, and then we get to end the weekend by hopefully dropping this beast in. So, all right,
yes, that's the goal. But before it's all over, before the weekend's over, the other one will for sure be out. And if nothing stops us, this may be in. I don't know if it won't be running, but it will be in.
Yeah, that's our goal.
Yes.
Get the old one out and drop this in. All we want is to just secure the motor mounts by the end of Sunday evening. So that's the goal. All right,
let's get to it. Let's get fast
forward. Grab some tools.
Yeah.
Okay.
Any day working on smoky stuff, it's a good day.
Oh yeah, it's a perfect thing to do on a Friday.
And I hear this was broken before I got it. So really, I need to take the time to make a little, the air filter, Smokey loved.
It looks like it was purposefully cut.
And he made it, see this is the air filter. You can see how he welded a piece. And in shipping or something, I never got that piece. So I really need to take a little piece of cardboard and maybe today even before, because once it's on the car, how am I gonna do it?
Yeah, let's do it real quick.
Just make a little template.
Make a little template.
And
so, okay, I know what I'm gonna. I know what I'm gonna do.
it's brand new.
I know exactly. Oh, beautiful.
Look at that.
There we go. Beautiful. Oh, perfect. I know exactly what I'm gonna do here because we need to get it close for. We need to get it close for because we want it somewhat along that edge. So, I'm gonna get weird, Danny.
Okay. Yeah, get that over.
I'm gonna get that perfect, and then I'm gonna cut the circle part. The circle part's gonna be easy. What are you doing right now, Danny?
I'm pulling the valve cover off.
Okay.
I'm gonna get ready to. I see a little thing I have to fix right here on this little
Let me
tab.
see.
The little plastic tab.
Oh,
So
yeah.
He just took the tab and stuck it in there.
Yep,
Everything's
definitely.
still there, and we know exactly where it
Oh,
goes.
you know what, Danny? I have these in plastic, and I have them in metal with a rubber insulator. Would you like me to bring those tomorrow?
Well, that
or
would be
Sunday?
cool. That would be cool. We can put a little steel one in there.
Yep, I have a steel one. Yep.
It's a restoration, and we kind of want to keep it the way he had it, but I think he would.
Well, I mean, I have a plastic one too.
I think he would, if he had a metal one, he would have used it.
Cool.
And I
Okay.
think that in the essence of Smokey, I don't think that is like a bad thing. I know it's it should be in a museum or somewhere, but I think Smokey didn't want it.
He said he didn't want it in a museum.
He didn't want stuff in a museum, and I think
yeah.
he would appreciate fixing stuff.
You know he's looking down on us right now and frickin' smiling.
Yes, he was building this as a prototype for Chrysler, so that wouldn't have passed a longevity test. I'm sure it was just to get it. I mean, he made his little tabs. I mean, he's a fabricating genius. Oh, I love all the little tabs he made everywhere. He was making it so that every piece could be duplicated.
Yep.
It was ready for production.
Oh my God, Danny, you can't.
I know.
You can't. You know you
It takes
can't
away your
win.
joy and-
Now, is this? I'm assuming it's just going to. Would you like to fill this spot and then put little tabs on it, or do you want it to go
I
larger
think
than?
Just go, maybe an eighth of an inch bigger all the way around.
Love it.
So
Yep.
it'll just sit right there. I'll put a gasket on there. In fact, that's what we'll do. We'll put a round gasket.
Love it. All right, template has been made.
Carburetor gasket. Not carburetor, but air cleaner gasket.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fabbing. That's a fabbing video.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I said, you keep on not wanting to pull it?
Well, I just like
So-
doing anything on this motor. It's like, oh my God. Okay, come on, here we go.
There you go.
And also the cam's super loose right
Yes,
now, so
yes.
so it's like a little bit, and it's gonna like wiggle, 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 wiggle.
Right here.
See, this is exciting stuff, people. This is exciting stuff.
And they're like, people are probably checking out. They're like,
Lawnmower says, "Be careful how we hold those belts. This is a family channel."
Oh, okay. I don't know why every time I hear belt, I cringe. My dad, go get the belt.
Oh, no.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Go on this side, and that's gonna go up there, and then we're gonna get this guy in place. Alrighty. Do you have a belt tension gauge?
I do not. I have my hands, what I usually use. Just, yes, you see how there's a little nylon strap? And look at that, we'll make it a little bit better.
We're just gonna. I
Just slightly.
I think he would approve.
You would approve.
Old and new.
And this is what we're talking about over here.
Yeah, this was sitting on here,
Yes.
and it bolted down. So yes, we have another one over there that is a little bit more real.
So it's one of the fuel lines.
Yep.
So he had little brackets that he made.
And
Look, he even has a metal one here.
Broke for a while because it was rubbing.
Yeah. And there's a stud right here. There's a stud right here.
Okay, so
and
this will be
little
able to
here.
go like this,
Yes,
but he had it here,
look,
so.
Look at the little thing he made.
Oh, so this is
so-
gonna bolt onto that. That's right. I
Yes.
remember seeing that. Okay.
Yeah, so it even
Let's
has a
get
little
this
stud
down.
to go. It goes on top of the stud, and it goes right there.
Love it.
So
Okay,
just
perfect.
like
So-
that.
and that's
He's
gonna
even
work.
a little nut.
And it's got a little insulator.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
And look, he
love
has
it.
a metal one in the back.
Yeah,
It's
so he
just
would approve.
that-
He would approve.
Yeah, I think so.
Where are we at over here, by the way, Danny? You just finished torquing down the cam.
We
I
torqued
saw.
down, yep, all of the cam caps.
Yep.
Signed off on them. They're torqued. We can put this back on again. While it was off, instead of trying to figure out how to hold all this, it was much easier to hold the cam, and then we torqued the cam bolt.
Exactly.
So the front of the stock 2.2,
right,
when we pull it out, we're still going to pull the front of the engine and the back of the engine, the stock one.
Right.
And we're going to put that on this motor.
Exactly. Yeah, there's a lot of parts missing off of this one that we're going to pull off of the original.
I put a flex plate just so that we could run it when we ran the motor. So
just for the starter?
Yeah, so this is for an automatic flex plate. It was just so that I could do the starter. Now this comes off. When we get the other engine out, we're going to take the flywheel, the clutch, the pressure plate, everything off, and put it on this one, and we'll torque those bolts.
That's this weekend. I'm so ready.
Yes, and then the front pulley and stuff that turns all of this, we're going to use the stock one that's on the car. So that's what Smokey did. He kept the stock pulleys on the car, and he just pulled this engine out. So we're going to take those and put them back on here.
Sounds like a plan. Yeah. All right.
All right, so we have Champion N12YCs, and interesting, I would have thought the gap would be a little bit different, but the gap is at 35. So I'm going to put a brand new set of plugs in it and gap them at 35. There you go. And interesting, that's why they come gap that from the factory. Back in the day. Yep. Okay.
Check this out. This baby's coming home today.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Yes. It's ready. It's so this is basically like it was when we got it.
Except some work has been done. New spark plugs.
Spark plugs. We fixed the broken piece in the carburetor. We just went ahead and looked inside the carburetor, cleaned it up, and basically just cleaned some stuff up. We put a brand new timing belt. We didn't want to take a chance with the timing belt. And that's basically it.
Gave a little bit of lubrication love to the camshaft there.
Yes. We put all that back on. We just checked stuff. And there's nothing really wrong with it. And we ran it before, and it still looks like it's still, preserved. So we're ready.
I think it's ready to go home.
I like how you said yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I get called sir all the time. I have no problem being called sir.
It's a compliment around here.
Yeah, because then you're just one of the guys. Here we go.
Look at this. All right, it's ready to go home. Faye's here. Got a trailer here. It's Happy Saturday. It's officially Happy Saturday.
Happy Saturday.
It is Happy Saturday.
Yeah.
Look at this. We're ready. There she is. There she is, going to her happy home. So let's get that done. Come down.
It'll clear.
Okay. All right, it's gonna work. Come down.
Oh, let's get it centered.
Oh man, perfect.
No, it's gonna... Where do you think you're going?